Are you seeing my waving back? Is it really telling you that Monica wave back at you? Wow. Good morning, Jerry. Is it Jerry the comedian? Good morning, good morning, good morning, my people. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Oh, yeah? Wow, I never knew. Otherwise, I will be waving back now. Wow. Monica, wave back at you. Good morning, pretty Mrs. Ellie. How you doing? Happy Sunday and happy new week to every one of you. God bless you. God that make us to sleep and see this morning. It needs to be thanked, appreciated. Oh, good morning, Jay. Good morning, Jerry. Good morning, my lady Osas. Good morning, Blair. Good morning. Lady Joyce, something like that. Lady Joyce, 6990. I don't understand what you sent to me. What that one me? What you sent to me? What me? You feel explain because I write you say meaning what you know right. But ma, we are not seeing you. Oh, you're not seeing me. It's dark. I'm still in bed. This phone I'm using, the camera is not good, sha. This is not my other phone. Just manage it. Joyce, 6990. Can you explain to me the video you sent to me? What's the meaning? Because as smart as I am, I don't know the meaning of that video. What make you send it to me? Wetin you say make I learn? Because people wey dey send me stuff, either they want me and see something wey dey go on. Hello, darling. Good morning. I no be know say na you be this for Instagram. Okay, good to know. Sometimes it's good to know. Joy 6990. Wetin you send to me? I say wetin e mean? Not nice, eh? Not send that kind, all those kind of things. Not send that to me again. Not be by force to follow person. You understand? Not be by for. In short, Instagram na the most quiet place where e be say you don't like person, you don't need to follow am. Because not be place where e be say you enter. You go to see my picture. You need to follow me to be able to see my picture. So if you constantly follow me, you know constantly like what I dey do, you know fit unfollow. Not nice now. Hi Sandra. So my people, we are almost there. Oh, the YouTube, we are almost there. We are now 921. Please, we are almost there. We still need yeah, I'm just waking up. We still need 79 people to go. Please, 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 please send to your friends, send to your people, share the link again and again. Please. I wish before I just return from church, it would just be 1,000. Bam! Then I'll quickly work on it and come to life. Please. We really try. Today make it 1 week. We really try. So please, more just finish and if I don't finish and see if some people are not just rebel. When the show start to dey sweet for there now they go dey enjoy and pass. But when you say come gather do am, I mean e no good. Good morning Edna, good morning Patra, good morning Doris, good morning Soso. Please, we are almost there. We are almost there. We are almost there. We need more 79 people to go. Please subscribe with all the telephones in your house. Please subscribe with your desktop, subscribe with everything. We'll just reach and bang. My night was good. Happy Sunday to you too. So Joyce 6990, please. I beg you, not they send me that kind of thing where you send me. People will want send me something for there. Either you buy something, you send me my picture, say you like the hair, you want buy how much, or you send me news where they go on for Insta blog, for where they go on for anywhere, where you know say Monica never see this one, Monica need to see this. Understand? You send that to me. Say me you come dey send me nonsensical, equilibrium, rodogbo things. I know they like am. You hear? Because Instagram no be by force so. No be by force to follow person you. Not to talk or to come stay come person inbox come dey send am nonsense. They hear me so. So na be that. I'll see you guys today. I just hope before I return from church, she could just complete bang, 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 bang. If for to see. True, I need to subscribe with my computer. Please. Please, said that. Good morning. Subscribe with your computer, then it go remain 78 people. Another person subscribe, go remain 77 people. Before you know it go finish. We really try. Mojo finish and today. My people, please send to your friends, send to your family. Show them how to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, now more take build and later you come dey enjoy. Now you come dey sit down there, pass, bag. No good. God they watch you. You didn't announce it yesterday on your program, or you didn't remind me. You didn't remind me now. You didn't remind me. Oh, I think I said it one time. Yeah, one time I said it. What's the name? M.A Reality TV. Let me write it here. Please subscribe. Then we add there. Whether you write it with big letter, small letter, it will show. Like that. Anika, that recent picture on your Instagram now is beautiful. Oh, thank you. The one I just shared about be careful how you tolerate people, because you are teaching them how to treat you. Okay, don't forget that word. The way you tolerate people, especially annoying, rude people, don't ever tolerate them, because when you tolerate them, that is how they are going to be treating you like trash. Don't tolerate them, that you cut them off or you give it back to them. Those people that are rude, they usually cannot take their own, what they give to people. So you give it to them quickly. Don't know, say, carry don't pass water. Good morning, Victoria. Good morning, Victory. Rocky. Good morning. Trying to look for it, but I didn't see it. Okay. I am King Faith. Okay. I will try and look for you and send you the link. Yes. No, not MA dot reality. No, M.A, then reality TV. You will see it there. It's remaining small. Please subscribe, guys. Yes, subscribe. Thank you. I appreciate you all so much. Okay, and also people that are sending me what that imbecile, faceless. I hate to say that name because she's dead among the living. Good morning, my love. Good morning, my lady. People that are sending what that woman did. Oh, thank you. That she's sharing my children picture and all that. Not that I really care. Okay, but at the same time you can just click and report. Those are the things you guys should be reporting, but you will not report that it's Monica page people want to report. Facebook page is free of charge. One cent they not they pay. Now you go even pay put maybe say you fit get anything. Just subscribe with my husband phone too. Oh, thank you. We'll soon get there. And I know say before I come from church we'll reach there in Jesus' name. Instead of you sending it to me, Monica see, you report it. This one report it. The other one report it. Everybody report it. Before you know, those type of fake account that doesn't contribute nothing to you, they don't do nothing. They just bringing people down. They are the number one of bringing people down. But you guys will not see that one. It's the one that is speaking out the truth the way it is, bang bang. Now that they bring them, they do me anything, and I no go be like some people wey go open 10 Facebook a day. Never. I know my worth. Anywhere I go, my people go. Now that one, and they pain them. Yes, so anywhere Monica stand, my people come. We not plenty, but they will come. Tafia one go come, the real one go come, Gaumese go come. Okay, that's it. Please go and subscribe. Go and subscribe. I need less than 100 people. They are the number one bullies. I'm telling you, they will bully you. When they bully you, they'll say you not sabi to me now. Man. The woman wey die for work, wey they kill for work so yesterday, I'm very sure that kind of woman go dey run for social media. E no go talk, go say I no fit o, no, this life is too small, no. Go see her now. E no talk, they kill am for work. My sister, any die na die. Who die for hospital na die. Who die for working place na die. Who accident kill na die. Who sick die na die. Just only tell God. If you not do bad, you not go see bad. And even if you not do bad, the kind bad law wey follow some people make it not follow you. You understand? And so will it be. So they go bully you, they go say make you not talk. Me, why I not go talk? I go talk. I'll give you your own weak basa. They will come they cry. My own talking for them, they make all of them cry. Oga master go cry. The chihuahua where they follow and they go make chihuahua when they want to carry so my dear. I wish waiting the right on top of person picture for Facebook. It they make you small. They make your life move. They make the pay salary. Now me for be the first. No wait till they don't write follow my picture for Facebook. They go right. As they write reach now, so me they rise. They write me they rise. They no fit do nothing. Wait till you write for my picture, you no get nothing will affect me. You will get autism pikin. You never go take care of your autism pikin. One fat, one they suffer obesity, the other one they suffer a day. You never take care of those ones. They can't talk about my beautiful. Actually, which people that they even say, this person now shower this. You don't see ugly woman wey make man pure, wey dey ugly wey people dey call ashawo never. They will call that one wish. Anybody wey dey wey you hear say they say see as e be ashawo, you know say that woman fine pass them. Fine. When you find, that's the only thing they can tag you with. They will not tag you with wish, but they will tag you. I will send you the link, okay? I'll go use my other phone. Yes, so I'm always their head. Of course. Every year now their followers they cry. Don't see my followers they cry. Don't ever see anything what una do come make my follower become chihuahua. They quiet look una. But una own, na go dey cry. Wow, 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 Monica injection. Wow, 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 wow. Oga bastard go cry. Don't go know when he go lose himself. Akugbo eti. When you come dey do the opposite of a zaga, you no remember again. If you are ugly, you are a wish. And if you are beautiful, you are a yes, now it's always like that. So if they call you prostitute, don't be angry. It's your beauty. They know that your beauty cannot be a wish. The only thing they can target with is prostitute. If you are ugly, they will say, look, see, now it be like wish. Okay. If you are ugly, they will say, it be like, oh, keep quiet, don't depend this one. Wait me, I go take my other phone so that before you go, I'll block your head, block your mama nyash, block your papa if you quit joiner. You know, say, Instagram not be like Facebook. Olushi. Mama, because I know you what. Yes, so I know my darling. I know. Thank you. You all did. You dey mad, you dey crazy, you don't know your mate. You don't say that going this, so you dey quickly write. You dey crazy, you dey mad, you don't know your mate. Let me send the link to you. My important people. Make we go there, Gary. Not be all these attention seekers. As they plenty rich, only Monica will beat all of them. That will better you. Monica dogga. As they plenty rich, only me one. I will be there. I'll be there for worry. Let me one day beat all of them. They go they cry. And the day go come out. Mama autism go come out. Mama imbecile go come out. I mean, I'll still there here. I go they laugh. Wakia. Oh, you don't run by yourself. You for wait now. You don't run by yourself. You see the day where hand go meet you. You no go even hear hand go just meet you. Why? You don't run. Laura Shante block herself. Can you imagine? The fear of Monica is the beginning of block yourself. If you can find MA, just type this very name, part 1 makeup, you will find the YouTube channel. Oh, thank you. Yeah, that is true. If you type part 1 makeup, you are right. It will come out. Okay. True, my lady. They really plenty. Your man, they beat them. Now you they talk small. My man go beat them. no matter how their oga repent reach, but their oga na im dey always look for trouble for them o. Una see everywhere since everywhere quiet until their oga talk say he no dey fear Monica. If you no dey fear Monica, you wait for me now. And me, I no dey even touch the rest o. Na only their oga me go just be here wa so where I will do drama for them today. Me I go ready. Me I come do drama for them. Na im dey beat them. Boo 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 boo. Mene Monica na no ikuwa no a social media. Ikuwa. Na go cry. Abeg, grave don tire you. Carry grave, carry dead body. Beautiful children, e no go sale for you. Not say all of them reject you, because both hand wey put like and love, they are all cause. You see all of them wrong, then they reject you, then they report your page. You go pion for carry me, carry black nyash. You never see who don't do my nyash. We go tell you the black one. Oh, too bad. Oh, too bad. Say Monica, fine. No, it no be low life like you. Where all men they carry they lie down. You follow for my black nyash now. Maybe that one go pay me if anybody see my black nyash. No be the one of Ambrose, no, but that not the pain us. Since last year, now the same thing una still take dey beat Monica. But me, na different thing I take dey beat una. Ikpoi. Na drink, use bucket to drink water. Now it cost still beat this year. But my own na still the same thing. Ambrose lock am for bottle. I lock Ambrose for bottle, but I still dey with Ambrose. What's your business? I went to Nigeria. Ambrose mama kiss me. E no quarrel. So you will not get picky. Wetin you call the quarrel for? Now let me once be beat them with the new one. Women that are supposed to take care of their family are busy fighting for someone else's husband. It's stupidity now. Mommy, it's okay. Forget about them. This is money. Just want to come make you angry. No, they're not fit to my lady. Now that one, don't block herself. That's the fear of Monica. You know now, say if me block her now forever. So she kukuma quickly block herself so that next time she'll feel open and say, make the word fear not let her talk again. But me, I promise and say, I go always dey check that need day and night. If I dey live video, I'll take the other phone. I go use and check her name because she must miss me. I know my words. Now me, he get talk where I dey talk where go help her in life. But he no get nothing. Me, I don't even know whether it is. He no get nothing where it take dey help my life. So I must block her if he doesn't know my words. I'm going to write your name down. I know you will come back. When I'm on live, they will tell you, you say, hey, come quickly look Monica. But as you reach there, you will not see me again because I should try and come back to Facebook. I'm not really trying, my lady, I can't lie. Because I don't miss them again. They don't do it again and again. And many of my people know where to see me now. I will only try just to be putting my business there, my advertisement. I'm not really like trying to come for video, no. My video worth to make money. I wish all the video I'll be making on Facebook, na YouTube I do every day. They read money every day. Imagine all the wonderful, powerful video. It just go like that. This one, it never go, but all the one where the Facebook with the first take come out. All my powerful messages, they let them go like that. No, if na YouTube, they don't see now. People go there, but I have nothing to do. They want clean, they'll go put and go. They read money. They'll they wash and go. They read money for their take. How come they do it for where they don't know the word? That's why they always report them to block them. No, I'd rather be on Facebook, on YouTube, and be put anything, put it there. If you read money today, go read money next month, go read money in 10 years time. that video na masterpiece. I'll still dey collect money put. My lady, I will if not for another person. For those that love me, I will. But I'm really not in rush. I miss you guys on Facebook too. I'm there, I'm just looking. Thank you. You know, I'm there, I'm just looking. And if you really want to see me, come join our makeup class, Afiokode class. Tonight is Afiokode class. By the grace of God, we'll do it. Children are going back to school, so they will go to bed on time. Okay, and makeup class, like yesterday, I was in my makeup class for more than an hour, talking and teaching people there. So you can join all those class. At least once in a week, you can give a video. Okay, my lady, because of you. Because of you. Otherwise, I go dey put am for where I go dey use am suffering. Where you know dey fail. This morning now, let me control my office. Now on Facebook, you don't have better office, free of charge office. But Facebook is good because you have a big platform to announce you, you know. It's Facebook that make my name shine. We not forget that one. But now beneath people can say Monica Facebook, they give the headache. Now they know. Now they can't know. No concern me put Monica Facebook no come make them they sabi fuck, make the bon better picking wey be say na him best side they come the boom. I don't know for them. This is the video I did yesterday. Hello, my love. Good morning. Good morning, my love. How are you? Happy Sunday to you. How my guests? So, I want to control it. If advert is running on it already, I don't like the topic I give to it. The title, I have to change it. I don't like the title. Fraud in UK. Let me do that one. Fraud. Fraud in UK. Oh, okay. Bless God. Bless God, my darling. Okay. Fraud in UK. I like that title. Let me see. Everything is great. Everything is working fine. Advertisement is on it already. Bash. That's great. Great news. Bash. You know they go try, they go. So bye. Who they call me? Still here. Wow. It go fast, Be first your. Queen Monica. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Oh, thank you. Beautiful, beautiful picture. It's someone that screenshot that picture to me. Oh. Was very beautiful. Oh my God. Was very, very, very beautiful. Okay, I'm coming with my people. You know, go church. Now go at this, so I'm gonna say my church no need makeup. Just brush your teeth, bath, wear clothes, no overdress, wear uniform. Pianch. Oh, I'm there. Let me control something.
Mama, ik vind dit heel jong. Kijk. En dan kan ik niet leren voor de toetsen die ik morgen heb.
Waarom doe I niet?
Weet ik niet.
Omdat your phone is full. Go and clear it from here first. Your phone is full. You have to clear it from settings. See, you see? It was giving you money, you didn't see it. Phone maintenance.
Je moet verder naar onder die
Welke?
apparaat. En dan kan ik
You see? See? You see? It is like you do it like this.
Heb je dat soms ook?
Remove some of the gain you put aside. You have 5 gig free. Then you start doing this. See? You see? Clear. 1.7 gig will be clear. Again, you will be doing that one again and again and again. Then you're free. You free a lot and have a lot of space. Yeah. Hey Joe, shey una no dey see my pin wey I put. Just as I just dey put the pin, just dey show for there. Thank you, my lady. Done. Yeah. Okay, my people. I see you guys later. Bye. You see, oh, okay, what do you see? Write wetin you see. Yeah, see. Wetin you see? Write the number wey you see. Cause the thing just really dey show. Bang. Oh yeah, write the number wey you see. Me I see. Me I see whether you see anyone. Is the right number? Which one you see? Write the number. Me I see. Let me see how many we still need to go. Yes, so. Yay! We are now 926. We don't try. Abemuna just finished. It was 921 just now. So 5 people just 5 people don't subscribe. Five people don't subscribe. More. Okay, me and they go before I come back. I trust you now. We'll go far. Yeah, see. Now lie, I no see. Person see something, sha. The person see 71619. You try. You get 2 number inside. Two number. The rest is not correct. You try. 2 number now you really see. Me I put them again. May you see. I don't put that. Bye. Oh my God.